Okay guys, look at this. Thank you for using Delta. We have this message. Click on Home button, click on Execute, and let's wait a little bit for this script. And look at this, guys. What's up guys, and welcome to my brand new review. In this video, I'll be showing you how I got Delta Executor for Roblox. Absolutely free, safe, and online, guys. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website. Type in search Delta Executor and you will find the online tool. Click there, guys, and now we must enter our Roblox username. So let me paste my here, click connect to server, and let's wait for the searching. User found, click connect, import latest Delta, select script that you want to add to your account, click continue, guys, and let's see the next step. This is working perfectly on both Android and iOS devices, and believe me, this is the best working website for this. Now just scroll down and click verify now, and let's wait a little bit. And now guys, we're on the anti-bot verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here, guys, we need to download free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaire. It's your choice. Just click here, click proceed, and it will start downloading from the official publisher of the app or downloaded. Complete the task. Below each task you have description what you have to do. So guys, I want these DraftKings and Family Iceland, so I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and this task, and I got this status complete success. Redirecting almost done, so let's wait a little bit for this redirecting and let's see the final step. Injection successful, guys, that's it. So let me open my Roblox and let's test, does it actually works? Let's see, guys. Okay guys, look at this. Thank you for using Delta. We have this message. Click on Home button, click on Execute, and let's wait a little bit for this script. And look at this, guys. I have this Photoshop. Just wait and let's see, guys. Look at this script working perfectly. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this review, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next. Bye.